The gardening routine, cultivating more than just plants. In today's fast-paced world, routines have become a cornerstone of our daily lives. From morning rituals to evening rituals, we rely on them to bring a sense of structure and stability. But have you ever considered incorporating a gardening routine into your life? It may just be the missing piece that not only enhances your home but also nurtures your soul. Gardening is more than just a hobby. It's a way of life. It connects us with nature, allowing us to witness the miracle of growth and the beauty of the natural world. But beyond the visual appeal, there's a deeper lesson that plants can teach us: the importance of routine. Plants thrive on routines. They rely on a consistent cycle of watering, sunlight, and nutrients to flourish. Just like plants, we too can benefit from the structure and discipline that a gardening routine provides. Imagine starting your day by tending to your plants, gently watering them, and observing their growth. This simple act creates a sense of calmness and focus that carries throughout your day. It reminds us to slow down, be present, and appreciate the beauty in the small things. As you nurture your plants, you'll begin to notice the impact of your actions. You'll witness firsthand the power of consistency and dedication. The plants that receive regular care will flourish, while those neglected will wither away. This is a powerful reminder that the effort we put into our routines directly affects the outcomes we achieve. But it's not just about the plants. It's about the process. Gardening requires patience and perseverance. It teaches us to embrace the journey, even when results aren't immediate. We learn to trust the process and have faith in our abilities. This mindset can be applied to all aspects of our lives. Whether it's pursuing a career, nurturing relationships, or personal growth, incorporating a gardening routine into your life also encourages a deeper connection with the natural world. As you spend time in your garden, you'll become attuned to the seasons, the weather, and the ever-changing cycles of life. You'll develop a sense of gratitude for the earth's abundance, and a desire to protect and preserve it. So, whether you have a sprawling backyard or a tiny balcony, consider starting a gardening routine. Start small with a few potted plants or herbs, and gradually expand your green oasis. Experiment with different plants, techniques, and styles of gardening. Embrace the challenges and celebrate the victories. In conclusion, a gardening routine is not just about plants. It's about cultivating a sense of discipline, patience, and gratitude in our own lives. It's about finding solace in nature and connecting with something greater than ourselves. So, why not dig a little deeper and discover the transformative power of a gardening routine? Your plants dash, and your soul will thank you. call to action, I invite you to explore the world of gardening and discover the joy it can bring to your life. Start by subscribing to our channel for more valuable content on gardening and other life lessons. Together, let's cultivate a greener and more fulfilling future.